In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your name on Facebook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So you can do it on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that, or obviously a PC or desktop as well. Let's say you want to change your name for your profile. All you got to do is go over to your Facebook application. Then on the top left, go ahead and click on those three lines. And then you're going to see settings and privacy as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see settings as the first option again. Now, once you're here at the very top, you're going to see your Meta account center. So go ahead and click on that. Then at the very top again, you're going to see profiles and personal details. And then over here, go ahead and click on your Facebook name. Now at the very top, you're going to see name, and you're also going to see username. So username is how people find you, and your name is going to be your display name, which is going to be at the very forefront. So go ahead and click on name, and this is where you're going to be able to change your name to literally anything you want. You can edit it, add a middle name if you want to, and just bear in mind, it says if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days, and not to add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. And yeah, once you're happy with it, all you got to do is press review changes on the bottom, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.